premium, so I'm looking for price to come lower to go high. Alright, so that's when I drop down to my 15-minute time frame, because I want my, even though the external eye, the external 4 hours is bullish, because when I change the character to the upside, I know that there, once the internal structure is really bearish, I can get charts coming back into. Alright, so look on the chart we just coming for, see what it's up on Alright, so this was on Tuesday. I had a Zoom session with a few students. Yeah, we didn't do much on Tuesday. We just had a Zoom session and we didn't actually get any trading opportunity, but we did manage to go over a few principles with the guys inside the Discord group. So yeah, but this was on Tuesday. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today is Wednesday. We didn't take any trade on Monday. We didn't take any trade on Tuesday, but we managed, not Tuesday. Today is Wednesday, yeah. We didn't take any trade on Tuesday, but we did manage to take a trade this morning on EURUSD. And what I'm pretty much going to do now is just review the trade that I actually caught. Alright, so yeah, so right here on the chart, this is EURUSD, and this is what I actually see. Alright, so I normally trade the London and the New York session, but this trade was caught inside the New York session. Good. Alright, so this was EUR on the 15-minute time frame, and I pretty much use the 1 hour time frame just to get a directional bias as to where price is at and where price is going. Good, in terms of just finding the swing highs and the swing lows, right, and determine whether or not price is in a discount area or an area of premium. Good, in this case, let me just go ahead and just have that marked out. All right, so and as I said before, this is just the 4 hour chart. So right here we have a 4 hour change of character. We had a, it should have been a 4 hour change of character, and then we have a structure break right here. Good. Now I can determine my swing high points, which should have been here, my external high points, right? I then just mark this as my range, my trading range, and this is where I'll be looking for price to move. All right, next thing, I just want to determine whether or not price is at premium or discount. In this case, price is inside the premium, so I'm interested in sell. All right, but price is in premium, so I'm looking for price to come lower to go high. All right? So that's when I drop down to my 15-minute time frame, because I want my, even though the external eye, the 4 hour is bullish because we have a change of character to the upside, I know that there, once the internal structure is realigned bearish, I can get shorts coming back into these areas to go higher, right? Because after that 4 hour structure break right here, this 4 hour structure break, prices pretty much want to come here to go higher, to put in that new point. So that's when I drop down to my 15-minute time frame, and I pretty much just mark here where we have that structure break on the 15-minute time frame, and my structure break price after pretty much close above the high, right? Like in this case, right now we have a structure break. We then now see that price created a 15-minute low and a 15-minute high. Good. I'm interested in sells because price just break structure on the 4 hour. There will be a retracement. Good. And that's when I pretty much just wait just to get that break of structure on the 15-minute, which is this line right here. Good. And that's when I get my structure break right here. This would have been my change of character on the downside, but I don't want to just sell here. I want price to pull back a bit for me to take my trade, right? And I'm interested in price going back up into 50% mark somewhere inside this area from this high to this low. All right, so now price is now realigned. That's when I move to my 1 minute time frame to look for entries. Good. And as I said before, I'm interested in price to come back inside premium areas anywhere above here. If price if price don't come back anywhere above inside these areas, then I'll just wait on a new 15-minute structure break. All right, so price didn't pull back anywhere in that area. It ended up break a new structure right here and give us a new swing high point and a swing low point, right? And all I have to do now is just wait on price to come anywhere inside here to give me that 1 minute change of character. Good. And in this case, price actually tap inside here, and it did change character right here. M1 change of character, and I marked here as my demand zone, M1 demand zone. But what had happened this morning, I eventually missed this entry right here because I was monitoring. My stop was 10 pip, right? 10 pip, and I was targeting a 1 to 2, right? Good. So price pull back, tap us in, and then price was doing its own thing, but I didn't catch my entry until price make this structure break right here. Price this fair value gap here as an area of entry. Once price tap inside a fair value gap, that's when I get in and I target 15 pip, pretty much the same steepy, which should have been my initial entry, and I put my stop at a 10 pip stop. Good. So it's pretty much 1.5 R, and that's where I took my entry, and price pretty much just ripped with the news. All right, I'll show you guys the entry that I got, and I also share this trade inside my Discord. All right. Thank you guys for watching.